Have you ever wondered if it's possible to communicate without speaking, using only your mind? Imagine a world where thoughts flow freely between people, unhindered by language or distance. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating concept of telepathy, exploring its potential scientific basis, its philosophical implications, and its spiritual significance. Join me as we question the very nature of human connection and consciousness. The concept of telepathy has always been a source of fascination and intrigue. Traditionally viewed with a mix of suspicion and reverence, telepathy occupies a unique space at the intersection of science fiction and potential human evolution. Imagine a world where telepathy is as common as texting, where our thoughts can connect instantly across vast distances, bridging hearts and minds in ways we've only dreamed of. This scenario isn't just a staple of science fiction. It poses a question about the latent potentials within us, echoing possibilities that our evolutionary journey might yet reveal. Let's explore the scientific attempts to demystify this phenomenon, particularly focusing on the Ganzfeld experiments. These studies represent some of the most compelling attempts to provide empirical evidence for telepathy. Participants in these experiments undergo sensory deprivation to heighten receptivity, a method achieved by placing half ping-pong balls over their eyes and playing static white noise through headphones. In this state, receivers in isolated rooms attempt to catch and describe images or sequences sent mentally by senders in different rooms. Remarkably, the success rate of these experiments often exceeds statistical expectation, suggesting that something beyond mere chance is at play. These results challenge our understanding of human perception, pushing the boundaries of accepted scientific norms and prompting us to consider broader possibilities. They spur questions about the capabilities of the human brain and the potential for sensory channels that we have not yet fully understood. What could this mean for the future of human communication? Could developing these capabilities help us overcome barriers of language and physical distance? On the spiritual front, telepathy resonates with the teachings of numerous traditions that speak of a universal consciousness connecting all beings. This notion is beautifully encapsulated in the words of Rumi. There is a voice that doesn't use words. Listen. This mystical insight suggests that telepathy could be more than just a transfer of information. It could be a profound communion of souls, a silent conversation between spirits that transcends verbal language and offers a more direct, unmediated form of understanding. Furthermore, Nikola Tesla's insights into energy, frequency, and vibration as the secrets of the universe directly align with the study of telepathic phenomena. If our brains emit and interpret complex patterns of electrical impulses, it stands to reason that they might also be capable of tuning into frequencies emitted by others. Tesla's perspective not only enhances our understanding of telepathy from a scientific viewpoint, but also bridges the gap between the physical sciences and more esoteric spiritual concepts. Consider the profound story of the twin sisters, one residing in New York and the other in London. When one twin suffered a sudden accident, the other, thousands of miles away, experienced acute, unexplained anxiety and physical pain at the exact moment of her sister's accident. This startling incident, documented and scrutinized, provides tantalizing anecdotal evidence of telepathic communication. It invites us to ponder the depths of human connection. Are such experiences mere coincidences, or do they point to a more interconnected human experience than we currently understand? As we navigate through these insights and stories, whether you find yourself skeptical or intrigued, the exploration of telepathy challenges us to rethink the very boundaries of human capability and the nature of consciousness. It compels us to consider the vast, untapped potential that lies within the realm of human experience. So, what are your thoughts on telepathy? Have you ever experienced a moment of unexplained connection that felt telepathic? Dive into the comments below and share your stories. Let's engage in a robust discussion about the mysterious and the unexplained. If you're captivated by today's exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Explore deeper, think broader, and connect higher here at Radiance by Ali B. Together, let's continue this thrilling journey, unraveling the mysteries of our incredible universe.